Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a right side behind the back Archie. It's going to be really helpful if you've done a pass before, a right side pass, and it's going to be really helpful if you've done an Archie as well. So I'll put links to the clips where you can learn those in the description, and we'll jump straight in. The demo goes like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Takes you all the way through. So let's break it down. It starts off right to right, and it's probably going to be easier if I'm over on this side. So we send the lady back, guys step back, right to right grip. What we're going to do as a fella is we're going to move out of the way to the right at the same time as we turn left, which is going to lead the lady through where we were standing. The lady's going to continue through, and guys, we're going to step back in, turning to the right, so we're taking our left arm over the top, wrapping ourselves into the right arm. We're going to take our right foot back as we do so we can look over the right shoulder and see the lady, and we're going to offer the left hand where the lady can get to it. Got to do that early enough the lady has a chance to actually get there, so then we can release with the right, push with the left to start the lady turning right, reach over her head, and as the lady goes around, guys, we're also going round to the left, moving out of the way and going long, so we generate the tension to do the travelling return. We start the lady moving with the left, or we offer the right, so as the lady comes forward, she gets to that hand, we release with the left and finish the travelling return with the right, and we're through to the end of the move. So let's do that again, and I'll go to the other side so you see the other direction of it, and I'll give you some numbers. So we go back 1, guys out of the way, bring the lady through. 2, ladies finish off, guys come back in, turning right, stepping back with the right and offering 3. Then it's the Archie. 4, facing 5, travelling return, changing hands 6, and back 7. So let's do it. I'll come round for the best way round for you guys. Let's see if we can make it happen. 5, a 6, a right side behind the back Archie. It's a back, through, prep, Archie, offer, return, and back. And that is it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive clip, and I'll pop a music recommendation on the end. As always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.